Hey everyone, welcome back to Greg's Natural Health. Today we're diving into the incredible world of baking soda. That's right, this humble pantry staple isn't just for baking or cleaning, it's a powerhouse for your health. From soothing acid reflux to boosting athletic performance, baking soda has some surprising science-backed benefits. So, grab a glass of water and let's get started. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a natural compound with alkaline properties. It's been used for centuries in traditional remedies, and modern science is catching up to its potential. But before we dive into the benefits, a quick reminder, always check with your doctor before trying new health remedies, especially if you have conditions like high blood pressure or kidney issues. And moderation is key. Overusing baking soda can cause side effects like stomach upset or electrolyte imbalances. All right, let's explore the magic. First up, acid reflux. That burning feeling in your chest? Baking soda can help. It's a natural antacid that neutralizes stomach acid fast. Studies show that a half teaspoon of baking soda in 4 ounces of water can ease heartburn in minutes. Just mix, sip slowly, and feel the relief. But don't overdo it. Using it too often can mess with your stomach's natural acid balance. Baking soda is alkaline, so it can help balance your body's pH levels, especially if you're dealing with high acidity from diet or stress. While your body naturally regulates pH, small doses of baking soda may help support this process. Research suggests it can reduce acid buildup in conditions like kidney disease. And here's something intriguing. Increasing alkalinity with baking soda has been explored for potential anti-cancer properties. Some preclinical studies and small clinical trials indicate that sodium bicarbonate can neutralize the acidic tumor microenvironment, which may enhance the effectiveness of chemotherapy and immunotherapy in cancers like pancreatic or breast cancer. For example, research shows that it might improve drug uptake and reduce tumor growth in animal models, and early human trials suggest better outcomes when combined with standard treatments. Athletes, listen up. Baking soda can give your workouts a boost. It buffers lactic acid buildup in muscles, which delays fatigue. A 2018 study found that taking 0.2 to 0.3 grams of baking soda per kilogram of body weight about an hour before exercise improved performance in high-intensity activities like sprinting or cycling. Mix it with water, but start small. It can upset your stomach if you're not used to it. Here's a cool one. Baking soda might help with insulin sensitivity. A 2020 study in rats showed that sodium bicarbonate improved glucose metabolism, which could benefit those with type 2 diabetes. Human studies are still early, but it's promising. Again, check with your doctor, especially if you're on diabetes meds. Want to keep your brain sharp? Some early research from the University of Colorado suggests baking soda's pH balancing effects might reduce inflammation and improve blood flow linked with cognitive decline. While we need more studies, keeping your body's acid levels in check could support brain health and improve cognitive function over time. Pretty cool for a kitchen staple, right? After a long day, treat your feet to a baking soda soak. Add 2 tablespoons to a basin of warm water, soak for 15 to 20 minutes, and say goodbye to odor and soreness. Baking soda's antibacterial properties can also help with minor foot infections, and it also can soften calluses, making them easier to remove later with a pumice stone or file. It's like a spa day for your feet. Some folks claim that these soaks draw out toxins from the body, but looking at the science, while baking soda soaks promote relaxation and may support your body's natural detox processes through sweating and skin soothing, there's only limited scientific evidence that they actually pull toxins out through the feet. Your liver and kidneys handle most detoxification anyway. That said, the alkaline nature of baking soda can help neutralize skin acids and leave you feeling refreshed. More studies are indicated, but coupling your favorite detox method with a baking soda soak can't hurt. Take it up a notch with a baking soda bath. Add 1/2 to 1 cup to warm bath water to soothe itchy skin, rashes, or sunburn. It's gentle, alkaline, and can calm irritation from conditions like eczema. Plus, it leaves your skin feeling soft and refreshed. Similar to the foot soak, again, it may help draw out toxins, but the greatest benefits are relaxation and skin soothing. It's a great way to unwind and support overall wellness. To increase your body's overall alkalinity, try a baking soda body wrap. Mix 4 cups of baking soda with a 1/2 gallon of boiling water and about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Soak some old towels in the mixture and cover your skin like a poultice. Cover the towels with a cloth or blanket and leave on for about 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. This topical approach can be used as a harmless alkalinity-boosting adjunct to your anti-cancer protocols and also enhance skin exfoliation, reduce inflammation, and soothe irritation, with some anecdotal support for localized relief. It's not a deep detox, but it's a fun, spa-like way to use baking soda externally. Just patch test first to avoid irritation. Baking soda makes an awesome mouthwash. Mix 1 teaspoon in a glass of water, swish, and spit. It neutralizes oral acids, fights bad breath, and has mild antibacterial effects. A 2017 study found it reduced plaque and gingivitis. Just don't swallow it. And while it makes a great toothpaste as well, don't use it as a toothpaste replacement long term. It's too abrasive for daily brushing. Urinary tract infections can be a pain, and baking soda might help. By making urine less acidic, it can ease burning during urination. Mix a 1/2 teaspoon in water and drink once or twice a day for a couple of days, but only with your doctor's approval. UTIs need medical attention, so don't rely on baking soda alone. Got achy joints? Baking soda's anti-inflammatory effects might help. Some studies suggest it reduces inflammation markers in the body, which could ease mild joint pain. Try a small dose in water or a soothing bath, but you may want to check with the doc if you're on meds for arthritis. For minor burns or insect bites, make a paste with 1 part baking soda and 2 parts water. Apply it gently to the area for quick release. It reduces itching and inflammation, but don't use it on open wounds or severe burns. Some folks swear by a daily baking soda tonic, a 1/4 teaspoon in water, to alkalize the body and boost energy. While there's no strong evidence for daily use in healthy people, small amounts may support overall wellness. But here's the deal. Long-term overuse can cause sodium overload or alkalosis, so it's prudent to cycle off your tonic occasionally. And there you have it, the amazing science-backed benefits of baking soda, from heartburn relief to better workouts, and even emerging research on alkalinity for cancer support. This simple ingredient is a natural health superstar. But remember, less is more. Overuse can lead to side effects like nausea, bloating, or even serious issues like kidney strain. Always consult your doctor, especially if you have health conditions or take medications. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments how you use baking soda for your health. And until next time, stay healthy and keep shining.